Attention, the following video is going to totally blow your mind. If you enjoy it and or love long walks on the beach, please click the like button below. Enjoy. Hello, I'm Bruno, and today on the Nature Channel we are going to be looking for the exotic Elias. We have reports saying that the Elias is found to be roaming through the commons, perhaps in a mysterious manner. We have some reports saying that the Elias is known to be on a technological device. Oh, it spotted us! Oh, it's gone! We have heard from some of our cameramen that the Elias is known to have a den in Lower D-Hull. If you look closely right here, you can see it crawling from the abyss. Oh, I think it spotted us. Oh, it's closing a door. Oh, how terrifying it is. Ooh, it does not appear to be hostile. Goodbye, friend. We have reports that the Elias has moved dens. As you see, it is now sleeping. Let's see if we can get a reaction out of it. Oh, it appears to be angry! No, run! Run! No!
Our dear commentator provoked. Oh God, he provoked the Elias. Oh, I can't watch. Oh, this is. I gotta get out of here.